Welcome back. Continuing the news. More concerns are being raised by members of the St. Catherine Municipal Corporation about the lengthy delays at security checkpoints during the state of public emergency in the St. Catherine North Police Division. It's been contributing to the traffic nightmare along Mandela Highway. TVJ's Kalisha Williams has the primetime news follow-up.
Vehicles slowing to a crawl, the traffic nightmare that has become the norm on the Mandela Highway, especially with road improvement work now taking place. The delays are made worse by security checkpoints, which are part of the state of public emergency in the St. Catherine North Police Division. Representatives from the St. Catherine Municipal Corporation pointed out they have been getting numerous complaints.
It's an issue, the delays at the checkpoints. But I'm not sure if we can actually have a roadblock and don't block the road. So something that is going to happen. It is going to cause inconvenience.
It's why Mayor of Spanish Town Norman Scott is making this appeal to the lawmen conducting searches.
If you decide that this is a vehicle that I'm going to check, get it out the line, and because we all accept and obey, roll our windows down so you can see. So if it is a vehicle that you look and you only see one person in it, then you know you're going to, if you're not going to ask him to open his trunk and all of that, you're going to let him go through quickly.
There are instances, however, that members of the public stop to comment and make comments to the police officers whilst along the corridor. So it will appear to the onlooker as a preliminary screening by the police when it was actually an engagement solicited from the driver.
At times, yes.
Your point is valid, sir, as the member earlier, and we will address it.
Councillor for the Bogwart Division, Peter Abrams, took issue with the way in which the military men and the police have been screening motorists.
I've seen them walk along the buses. In the line behind, and they are just looking into the vehicle, and maybe might looking for a bleach out face man or a man who look away, and the vehicle is slowing. But I can be in it in a jacket suit.
The issue was raised at the meeting of the St. Catherine Municipal Corporation on Thursday. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.